Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So I have here, this is one box. I do have actually a second box on the side. I have two boxes to unbox for you guys from the Happy Planner. So come and join me and I'll show you guys what's in these two boxes. I promise there's two boxes. I only have one on camera. The other one is off to the side. Let's get started. Alright, so I'm so excited to be opening this. I don't know if you guys saw Marielle's Happy Hangout live on Thursday, but she went over the newest memory keeping line. So the first four things that I got here are the newest sticker books. So Garden Flowers, which I will flip through, Coloring, that's really interesting, Color Story in Big, and Happy Summer. So those are the four sticker books that I got. This, I'm most excited about this. This is the planner sleeve, and this is going to fit my planner, my iPad. It's just beautiful. Like, it's a gorgeous, gorgeous pink. I absolutely love it, and I think this is just going to be great for any planner. It doesn't have to be a classic planner, but you can fit so much in here. So excited about that. Then, ooh, these black expander metal discs. Is there anything else that I can say about that? Black expander metal discs. Then we have here, this is the Happy Memory Keeping Extension Pack. I apologize for the glare. So you get stickers, dividers, pre-printed designs and templates, and a pocket folder. So if you wanted to add more stuff to the photo journal, which I'm going to show you right away here, then you can do so with the memory keeping extension pack. So then the last thing in this box is this Rustic Blooms photo journal. So I'm going to take everything out and then I'm going to do a proper flip through of everything. So this is the Happy Summer sticker book, and I don't necessarily want to open it because I'm going to end up ripping it. But these are the different stickers that are inside. Ooh, I like the movie theater one, especially with things opening up now. I'm really excited for the movie theater one. And sandcastles and the beach. Really cute. The next one is Color Story, and this comes in big, so fits very well in the memory planner. Memory planner is in big, so ooh, the colorful leopard. Very pretty. Oh, I love those big boxes. Oh, these are my favorite. Ooh, this is a new one. I think this is the pastel. I don't have this sticker book. Very nice. And you basically see the same theme running along, like the same types of functional stickers, but in the different themes. I really love that. Ooh, I like this. I don't have this sticker book, I don't think, if it's in a sticker book, but I love this. Love the florals. Ooh, it's a seasonal one. I don't think I have that. Oh, I love the decor. Love the decor. And then indigo. Very cute. Love that. So you get a little bit of everything. And this is why I actually like the Color Story sticker book, because you do get a little bit of everything. Ooh, pressed florals. Yes. Whoops, I'm skipping a page. Pressed florals. And you don't have to use this only in a big Happy Planner. You can use this in any size Happy Planner. Oh, pretty. Again, love the fact that you get a little bit of everything in Color Story. The next one is Coloring. So, caveat on this is that you don't have to color them in if you don't want to. Wow. You could just leave them black and white if you like. Oh, love it. Ooh, those ones are new. I don't necessarily have the patience to color them in. I will give you the honest truth. I don't necessarily have the patience, so I could just leave them black and white. Ooh, but I like the fact that you can color them in your own story. If you hear digging, that's Lucy under my desk digging on her bed and scratching her bed. Lucy! Camera cut out on me here. So you get the speech bubbles, the discs, the planners, the weather icons, presents and food, both very important. Then you have the airplanes. I cannot wait to start using travel and airplane stickers again. Ooh, the Stick Girl, very cute. I didn't actually buy any of the Stick Girl sticker books, and pets. And then the emojis, letters. This is actually a great one to have letters and that you can color in. And then happy day. Oh, quotes that you can color in on your own. So you've got quotes from the different sticker books that you can make into your own different color schemes. I actually really like that. Oh, see, and you can tell that they're all from different sticker books, and I like that you can make them your own color scheme. Lucy, she's digging at her bed underneath my desk. I apologize. Then last sticker book is Garden Flowers. I'm excited for this one. Oh, so we got a preview of these, I think, in the Flower Power. Remind me, guys, which sticker book was that? It's not Beauty and Florals. I'm looking through all my sticker books here. Can't remember which one. It's not Flowers. It's in one of the sticker books. Ooh, I like the yellow. I like the black paper that it is on, and then there's the pink paper. I think this is all decor, and then quotes, which I appreciate. Oh, I love that. This is a sticker book that I will use all of because it is decor. I'm more leaning towards using just decor right now, and then in terms, oh, that's my favorite page. My favorite page. And then basically anything functional. I don't really use boxes. So these are the ones that, so you can put these on the bottom of the page instead of having to cut them. Really love this book. Oh my goodness. I know I'm flipping through it fast, but I want to see it all. Perfect. So those are the 4 sticker books that I got in my box. Next you have the memory keeping extension pack. So I'm just going to maybe move it over a bit slowly. So there's the first dashboard. All right, and then, oh, I love that you can fit different size pictures, and it doesn't have to be by date. I've gone really off plan with memory keeping this year, but this is nice that there's no pressure to date anything. You can really just focus on big events and journal that way. But I like these pages is that you can kind of take them and put them wherever. Lucy. Very pretty, and you can put different size pictures. You can put pictures in here and write as much as you want. Oh, I love that. I love that divider. So I think I think all of the pages in between each divider are the same. So you get, I think, 4 sets of those pages, and then you have the different dividers. Yeah, you get 4 sets of those pages. And then these dividers, and then you also get a pocket in the back and some stickers. Ooh, those are pretty. I like these. So you have the ability to, like it says, extend your photo journal, your memory planner with these pages, or create your own. And I really like that because then you're not pressured to do day by day, week by week. It's really when it works for you. So that's the extension pack. And then here is the Rustic Blooms photo journal. Can we just look at these discs? Like, how beautiful. And these are metal pink discs. And then it says, today is the perfect day to be happy. Let's cut that out. So then you have that first divider. Oh, what a beautiful life. Let's move this over a bit here. And then I think, yes, they're very similar pages to the extension pack. And then you just add them in here. So you could, I don't want to say you have how many months or how many pages, but you do have the ability to extend this out as much as possible. It feels like you get a lot in here, actually. Yeah, you do get a few, I think you do get a few more. So I'll flip through that. You have that first page. This is really nice. That like this is one spread. It could be just one event. It doesn't have to be a whole week. It could just be one event. And I really like that. It kind of takes the pressure off having to take pictures every day, having to write a post about it every day. And I think that's what got to me, is that I I got very tired of doing it. I love the end result, but I got tired of the process, where I think this could be really good if you want to just, this one I love because then you can put the pictures in here and then just do a little bit of journaling next to it. Oh, I really like that. That there's different papers. And then this is the next divider. And again, the same papers in there. The third divider. And then the fourth divider. So you really could put as much in here as you'd like. If you've got the extension pack, so you have this, and then you have the extension pack. So you could really make this memory keeping photo journal as big or as little as you want. And then if these discs aren't big enough, you also have the black expander disc. So I almost hate opening it, but and you can see, I'm gonna cut myself if I do that. You'll be able to see how big these actually are. Ah, ruining the box. Look at the size of these discs. So you can certainly put these onto your photo journal and make that photo journal as big as you want it. So, love metal discs. So that is my first box that I got from the Happy Planner, which is out in stores, I believe, out in stores or out on the Happy Planner website on June 24th. I will include all of the information in the description below, but make sure you do go and use my affiliate link. I would greatly appreciate that. All right, if you guys have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. And I will leave a link for the second video of the second box sent to me by the Happy Planner down below. Thanks again, have a great day.